I personally hate to be the person who comes out here and tells you that I told you. From past few days, I've been telling you that Solana is going to go down, and even on 19th November, which was my last update, I told you that Solana is going to go towards $54. Let's watch that video. So let me just confirm it for you. Yeah. In the current case scenario, I would say $64 is the resistance. As long as it doesn't break its resistance, you are going to expect to see Solana towards $57 again. And I think this time it will break again $57 and it will go back to $54. And right now, when we look at Solana, it is actually, I think, at $54 or lower. And when you go back and you watch the other videos, you will see where I have mentioned this over and over again that I'm not a moon boy. I'm not the one who will tell you to buy Solana at $70, at $60, people who are promising you $80 and $100 and all that kind of stuff. These are the ones who made people buy Bitcoin at $65,000. These are the people who made people buy Ethereum at $4,500. Please, please, please understand that if I don't put on music, if I don't dance, if I don't make aggressive voices, it doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing. All of my videos are dated. Go back and check. The only argument that people can find is, this whole series of videos that I have made, there's only one video on 29th of September that went wrong. That is the only video which went wrong because I expected the market to dump on 29th of September. It did not. And that's the overall argument that people have against me. One video, one time. I predicted CZ's resignation, the CEO of Binance, on 8th of November. It happened today. I have done it over and over again. And it is not bragging rights or something. It's just that you need to understand that if someone is accurate more than 70% of the times, you should respect the decisions and that the person, not the decisions, screw decisions. You should respect what the person is presenting and don't get ragged. Look at this. It's sitting at $53. It dumped to $52. Imagine buying Solana at higher prices as your moon boys were telling you. Buying it at $68, $60, $65, thinking you're going to make tons of money. And I went out and made the video on Solana crash loading. I mentioned this is 14th of November, right? So this is between 14th and 15th. I made this video and I gave you warning that Solana crash is loading. But who listens? I am not enjoying the pain and agony of people. It's just, it hurts me that just because I don't have a lot of followers, it doesn't mean that I'm not correct. Everyone out there who has a lot of followers, bring them to have a discussion with me on live, who thinks otherwise, and I can promise you, I'll humble them for you. This is, I joined TikTok on June 19, 2023, but that is not when I joined crypto, and I'm educated on finance. I had to go and study for it. I didn't join financial markets because I wanted to make money, or I was a marketer who turned into a crypto guru. This is my field of work. This is what I do for organizations in Canada as well. Apart from crypto, I get hired as a consultant. I educate people financially. So please, please, please be careful in these markets. Don't fall for the FOMO. Don't buy the tops. All markets correct, and the only argument these people give is that the market is correcting. Everything is going down. That is total crap. If it is going down, how can you predict it in advance, right? And It's the same case scenario of thinking that if you lose an opportunity, you will not have another opportunity. That's not true. Market will always have an opportunity for you. Don't fall for the FOMO. Always make wise decisions and do what you understand. Don't do things that you don't understand, even if it is profitable.